Good to have you, buddy.
I need to concentrate here for a second. Come on, Max.
Where's your gun?
I don't know. Should have been having a thing.
There's no time for a thing. That's the thing right there. Let's go. Dude, you're embarrassing me in front of the wizards.
Sorry, I can't or he won't. Like, I don't.
Hey, stand down. Keep an eye on him. Thank you.
I have him.
All about the money, I ain't never smoke weed. Cool young niggas still take your cheese. Pussy not mine, this bitch for us. The gang is what I trust.